So this is 6.1 problem set in elementary algebra, and let's just look at a couple of these problems here real quick. Not going to spend tons of time, but always helps to have some examples here. So number 2, you are simplifying each expression. Oh, we're not doing that one. We're just doing the odd ones, aren't we? So numbers 3 through 43, you are reducing, and it also says specify any restrictions. So for example, on number 18 we have 5x plus 15, and that's over 5x squared plus 40x plus 75. Okay, so we're going to reduce. We're going to again look at the top first. Then we're going to reduce the bottom. What can we do here? We can take out a 5, can't we? And we're left with x squared plus 8x plus 15. And we're going to look at this and see if we can reduce that down. So we'll leave the top alone. And on the bottom we'll do 5. And we'll break it into two binomials. So we've got an x and an x, two numbers multiplied together that give me 15, added together give me 8. Alright, so then I can cancel that with that, and that with that, and I'm left with 1 over x plus 5. Alright, so that looks good. Then it says specify any restrictions. So I'm going to look back at before I canceled and find out what x cannot be. Alright, x cannot be -5 or -3. So those are the two numbers that x cannot be when I look here. It can't be -5, can't be -3, because that would make this bottom here 0, and I can't have that. But the instructions say they only want you to do that for problems 1 through 10. So anyway, we're past 10, so you don't have to do that for like number 17, 18, 19, 20, all of those. Alright, if you jump all the way down to something like, let's see if we can pick a really hard one here and do that one. Let's do number 44. We've got, 40. Yeah, let's do 42. X cubed minus 125 over x cubed minus 27. Is that right? No, I've got, I'm sorry, x squared minus 25 on the bottom. I'm jumping around here. Alright, so top and bottom. We have x plus 5, x minus 5. And so this is 42. So on the top, using our difference of two cubes, because x cubed minus 5 cubed is the same as that. And then I have x minus 5, and then my second part of this will be x squared plus 5x plus 25. If you look back in finding the difference of two cubes using the formula, and you come up with that, we can cancel that, and we're done. Okay? And yeah, just continue on. 49, work each problem according to the instructions. So they want you to add x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. So you just take the parentheses off, combine like terms, and you're done. In B it says subtract. So we have x squared minus 4x minus 4x minus 16. And remember, you take the parentheses off. Signs change. These two brought together give you 0, so you end up with x squared plus 16 for an answer, right? No, because because negative 4x minus 4x is negative 8x. So we are going to see if I can get my stuff back. Okay, so this is going to be x squared minus 8x plus 16 for your answer there. And part C says multiply and D says reduce, which is what we've been doing in this lesson. So anyway, that is a little bit of an idea of what the problem set looks like.